Hello everyone, welcome to ZU Educator Exam Prep. Myself Z Fetcher, a freelancer, blogger and a motivator. In this session, you are going to learn about four main types of quantitative research. That is descriptive research, correlational research, causal comparative, quasi-experimental research and experimental research. So let's start the session with descriptive research. Descriptive research is a type of quantitative research used to explain the current state of a variable or topic. The researcher does not control or manipulate the variables, they just observe and measure them. Descriptive research helps researcher to accurately and systematically describe a population, situation or phenomena. Descriptive research can answer what, where, when and how questions but not why questions. Descriptive research is used to identify categories and trends, form hypotheses, arrange comparison, confirm existing phenomena and outline sample characteristics. Some common examples of descriptive research are demographic survey of an athletic shoe brand, survey to find out where young adults aged 16 to 20 years get their online news, surveys to discover how often working people take vacations. Moving next, we have correlational research. Correlational research method examines the relationships between different subjects and variables without the researcher controlling or manipulating any of them. Correlational research relies on the scientific method and hypothesis. Correlational research focuses on relationships between fixed variables. Correlational research is used to identify variables that have some sort of relationship to the extent that one creates a change in the other. Some common examples of correlational research are correlational research is used to find out if there is a relationship between Facebook shares of your website link and a higher Google ranking. Correlational research is used to discover if there is a correlation between gender and class participation in college classes by observing seminars, tracking the frequency and duration of students' contributions. Moving next, we have causal comparative research. Causal comparative research method is used to identify a cause and effect relationship between two variables where one variable is dependent and another is independent. The goal of causal comparative research is to identify how different groups are affected by the same circumstance. Causal comparative research is used when experimental research is deemed infeasible, unethical or prohibited. Some common examples of causal comparative research are to find the difference in wages between men and women with a comparative study of wages earned by both genders across various occupations and locations, to choose two similar groups of 6th grade who attend different schools, one with an after school program and without. Now we have experimental research. Experimental research is guided by a specific hypothesis or hypothesis. Experimental research is very useful for guiding decision making. Experimental research methods are widely used in research conducted using the scientific method. The goal of experimental research is to prove or disprove a specific hypothesis. The experimental research uses the scientific method to establish the cause-effect relationship among a group of variables. Experimental research is used when you need to compare two or more groups that are experiencing different conditions. A common example of experimental research is when your company wants to market a new product and choose to run two different versions of your advertisement and track the performance of each ad to determine which is the most effective. This is all about the session. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel ZU Educator Exam Prep. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.